Selling digital products on TikTok is one of the fastest ways to turn content into income, even if you have a small following. Many people think you need millions of views or viral videos to make money on TikTok, but that is not true. TikTok is more about the right content reaching at the right people. If you have a useful digital products like an ebook, template, guide, checklist, course, or service, TikTok can help you to reach buyers every single day. In this video, I will explain how to sell digital products on TikTok in a simple and practical way that beginner can follow. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description whenever I share tools or platforms. By using the description link, any available benefit or special access that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let's understand what digital products really are. Digital products are items you create once and sell many times without delivering or shipping. Examples include ebooks, Notion templates, Canva template, social media guides, online courses, and even access to the private communities. The best thing about digital products is that you don't need to create a new product for every customer. Before you sell anything on TikTok, you must be clear about who your product is for. TikTok rewards clarity. If your content speaks to the everyone, it connects with no one. Choose one problem and one type of person. For example, beginners who want to grow on social media, small business owners, students, freelancers, or content creators. When your message is clear, TikTok's algorithm understands who to show your videos to. Your TikTok profile is very important when someone likes your video. The first thing they do is check your profile. Your bio should clearly explain what problem you solve and what you are offering. Don't try to sell directly in the bio with long text. Keep it simple and benefit focused so people understand why they should click on your link. Now let's talk about the content. TikTok content that sells does not feel like ads. It feels like help. The best way to sell digital products is by teaching small lessons, sharing quick tips, or showing the mistakes people are making. When people feel they learned something useful from a short video, they trust you more. Trust is what leads to sales. One very powerful content style is problem solution videos. You talk about a common problem your audience faces and then show a simple solution. At the end, you mention that you have a full guide or resource linked in your bio. This feels natural and not pushy. Another effective content style is showing results or transformation. You can talk about what changed after using a system, template, or method. You don't need to be very flashy. Honest storytelling works very well on TikTok. Now let's talk about the links and sellings. TikTok allows you to add a link in your bio. This link should lead to a simple page where people can learn more about your product and buy it easily. Avoid sending people to complicated websites. Simple landing pages convert better, especially for the mobile users. Pricing also matters. Digital products usually work best at affordable prices because TikTok users make fast decisions. When the price feels reasonable and the value is clear, people don't overthink. You can always increase the prices later as your audience grows. Now let's talk about some pillar of TikTok growth. Consistency is another key factor. One video rarely changes everything. TikTok rewards creators who post regularly and stay on the same topic. When you talk about the same problem again and again in different ways, TikTok understands your niche and pushes your videos or your content to the right people. Engagement is also important. When people comment on your videos, reply to them. You can even create new videos replying to comments. This builds trust and keeps your content active in the algorithm. Another important point is patience. Some videos may not perform well at first, but TikTok often pushes content later. Keep posting, learning, and improving. So focus on helping first, selling second. So to summarize in a simple way, selling digital products on TikTok works when you understand your audience, create helpful content, build trust, and make buying easy. You don't need a big audience or expensive ads or perfect videos. You need clarity, consistency, and value. So that's it basically for today's video. If this video helped you to understand how to sell digital products on TikTok, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to earn online using content. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.